Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here. Now today we're going to talk about the app Aura. So what Aura is a bit of a multi-combination app. You've got a bit of CBT, you've got a bit of breathwork, you've got meditations, you've got courses talking you through anxiety and a whole range of other interesting topics. Is it actually any good? Does the price for an app like this work out? Let's dive in and take a look. So we're diving into Aura here. You've got Good Morning Rob Murphy. Normally it'll come up with a quote that you can share. So if we look at that, Facebook more, don't want to share that. And this is our front screen. So up the top here, you can search for things. You've got your global community that's on there. But up here too, you've got all your different bits and pieces. So coaching, meditation, story, music, emotions, which I found was really cool. So you click an emotion for what you're feeling. I'm feeling grateful. It will bring up something for you. So emotions again, let's say I'm anxious. It'll bring up a meditation or a course.
And attract peaceful experiences into my life.
And so on your media player, you've got your 15 seconds, your play pause, don't like the teacher's voice if you don't want any of that. And if you hit the music bit, you can put different types of music on it. You've got different nature sounds, whether you want binaural beats or a bit of white noise in there as well if you're using it to go to sleep, home, the AC, washing machine or kitchen noises, whatever you find peaceful, as well as a bit of a background video. So those are pretty cool, somewhat unique, and it's just more value for the app, customizing it to your needs. Sounds, therapy, if you look at therapy, you've got CBT, a bit of burnout things, and there's a lot. Like, this is just the burnout section. View more, or you can view all. So that's all for burnout, but anxiety, you've got a lot more courses and little bits and pieces to go through. So there's a wealth of information on this app. And then you've got challenges up here as well. So Gentle January, you can join that. It's going to end soon. So there's a lot to sort of keep you going, to want to keep going as well. So who are you following? Your timer, health coaching, and all different topics covered there. Alternative healing, you've got boost energy, metaphysics, Reiki, tapping, spirit guides, astrology, chakras. If you can think of it in a way that's going to help you, it's probably in this app. Now, the tapping one, I was a little bit disappointed with this because there's no other actual guide, like no video guide.
Very supportive in releasing emotion. It is not a replacement for professional mental health care. Let us just pause for a moment here.
But as you get into it, you can see.
Just checking in. Has anything shifted? Has that number on the scale increased or decreased?
Now with that as well, if you hit the little arrow up the top there, it comes down and you can keep scrolling through things if you want to listen to that while finding the next thing that you want to go on with. It works very, very well. Then down here you've got your homepage, obviously. Sleep. If you want to just go straight to sleep, it goes into dark mode and has all your sleep stories, sounds, everything on there just ready to go. If you want a specific coach for something, you can jump in there and see that. And they do cost a little bit extra, but they're coaches for you. And live. Now, you get access to live classes that you can just reserve a spot for. And there's a lot there as well. I haven't actually joined any of these, mostly because at times that aren't inconvenient to me. There's one there at 7 a.m. which might work for me. But you can see the whole schedule coming in, plus reserve or get reminded on it when it's coming up. Basically, that's it in a nutshell. You get all of this, which is a fair amount of content at your fingertips. Now, a lot of it is just the audio style. But if we go back home, you've got podcasts on here as well. Your live session, celebrity masterclasses. I don't know who Ashley Green is, but this one's a bit of a video course as well, as she talks about her story. Now, this is one of the little
Mental
bits
wellness,
that didn't.
Did not become a priority
the player
for me
stops.
until it became a problem. I
If I
grew
go
up
out to that
with parents who worked
and
really
back
hard
into
to
it
give me
though,
the opportunities
then it
that I
all
have.
works. So I don't know what the
But
video
they both came
issue
from
is there.
poor backgrounds, go to
But
hospitals.
there is
and
video.
That kind of puts in perspective
So I don't know whether it's just my phone, whether it's an issue with the app itself, but that's the only little negative bit that I found. And then you've got your programs, 12 days of relaxation, 3 to 30 minutes a day. So yeah, you're always given time to know how long it's going to take you as well. And a whole lot more. As you can see, there is just so much on here that you can always go through. And so that is Aura. Pretty good. A lot of content, and very customizable content for you as well. A lot of it is just audio stuff, but you do have your live sessions as well that you can join in for free. You can hire a coach from the app, can help you with whatever it is that you want or whatever it is that they specialize in. There's always something on there, whether you use it just to sleep, whether you use it just to reduce your anxiety with the calming sounds. There's something on there for you. But that does not come for free though. You do get a 7-day free trial to actually explore, have a look and see if the app is going to suit you. But after that, there's only, that I've found, a yearly subscription model, which is $87, I think, Australian, which, is less than pretty well the price of any coach or any therapy session, whether it be massage, whether it be breathwork, whether it be whatever you're doing. A guided meditation session that you go to in person, other than the bonus of being in person, the cost of that will soon, surpass $87, because that works out about $7.25 a month, not a week, a month. So it's pretty good value, I feel, really, if you're just going to keep working through, improving, learning more about anxiety, and then actually learning how to calm it. Out of the apps I've reviewed recently, this one has to be hands down the best, the most comprehensive, the most diverse. So if you don't like CBT or you're getting stuck there, you can try some tapping, you can try some Reiki, you can try some breath work to help you get past those points as well. And you've got a variety of different coaches, different voices. So if you don't like one, you can go to the other. Once again, a pretty good collection of content, as well as podcasts and everything else as well, just for the general information and talking points around health, around wellness. I think Aura's up there. I'm going to give it about an 8 or a 9. Only that little bit of a video glitch that I found. Otherwise, the app works perfectly. You can go to things, they load quickly. It probably will chew through your data if you're not using it on Wi-Fi, so just be wary of that as well. But what do you expect for all the media that's included on it? But anyway, guys, that's my little take on Aura. I think it's a pretty well balanced, comprehensive app that has something there, at least for everyone. If you're after health, wellness, well-being, give it a try. You've got 7 days. You've got a whole week to give it a try. You should be able to find something or work out whether it's for you or not. Would you use Aura? Have you used Aura? Leave a comment down below. And always remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. And we do have our Patreon now as well, where you'll find more uncensored takes, hotter takes, more uncensored massage videos, every course and everything else I'm doing. I'm currently in the process of uploading all of that, and I'll be putting that on there as well. So acupressure, massage, NLP, all of it's going to be on our Patreon for $5 a month, as well as exclusive videos as well. So dive over there and have a look. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob Murphy, and I'll see you in the next video.